In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Brave browser not working on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you are experiencing any challenge with your Brave browser on your smartphone, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this problem. In the first method, we are going to access the app info page for us to fix it. To do so, just long press on your Brave browser app, and here you should see we have quite a number of options. Go ahead and choose on app info. If you tap on app info, you'll be taken to the Brave browser app information page. From here, we need to go ahead and clear the app data. If I go to storage here, now you can see a breakdown of data stored by this browser. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your Brave browser normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. However, accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data down below and choose clear cache and then OK. As you can see, this has cleared the cache data and some of user data. At this point, go ahead and start your smartphone and then open your app, and this should have fixed your issues. In most cases, this works 100%, but should you still experience any challenge, then come back to app info and then tap on clear data, and this time around choose manage space here, and here you need to go ahead and free any space if you have most of your space occupied or used up. Once this is done, now your app should be working without any issue and should be able to browse freely. However, should these two methods not work, then you need to go ahead and look for Brave browser through Google Play Store or App Store and find out if we have an update. Go ahead and update it to the latest version. For my case, I do not have an update. However, should you find we have an update, then it means you have been using an outdated version of Brave browser that might not be supported. After you've done that, now your issues should have been solved. But should you still experience issues such as the app still crashing, then you need to go ahead and uninstall this browser completely from your smartphone and then install it afresh. By doing so, this will fix bugs or clear any bugs that might be associated with your app causing it to frequently crash. So by following any of these four methods, you should be able to have your browser working without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.